Hello everyone, we're tracking storms tonight, and we're going to be doing a lot of that over the next couple days. Let's take a look at the severe weather outlooks here. For today, most of us, non-severe thunderstorms, we're not really expecting too much severe weather, possibly some stronger storms toward Helena and areas south and east of there. Most of our areas should be okay. Now, into the day tomorrow, we see the slight risk for much of the area, so a greater risk than what we saw today, and almost all of the state under a marginal risk, and we'll break down these risk categories in just a second. And then into the day on Thursday, that's when that risk becomes quite a bit more widespread. We might even see Thursday get bumped up into the next risk category, which is pretty high for us here in Montana. Again, I said we'd break down those risk categories. Marginal risk, that's kind of like a level 1 risk. So some isolated severe storms, 1 or 2 popping up as possible. By slight, you could be dealing with several severe thunderstorms possible. And again, if we do see an upgrade, we'd be looking at a pretty good outbreak of severe weather for Thursday, but we'll keep an eye on all that through the forecast. As far as right now, definitely tracking some stronger storms down toward Billings, just to the west and southwest of Billings. Around Helena, mostly showers, and that line continues to push off to the north here. Now, as of yesterday, we really weren't expecting too much in the way of rain toward Great Falls and Lewistown. The models have shifted that activity north, so definitely possible that Great Falls would see a shower, even a rumble of thunder, but better chances are going to remain down toward Helena and where we have that marginal risk likely clearing out except for a few showers as we head into the night tonight. Definitely dry by tomorrow morning. Not too much into the early afternoon, but by the late afternoon, we do start to see storms developing again, and late afternoon to early evening on Wednesday. Some severe weather definitely possible. Again, we see that clear out as we head into the overnight hours, and we start that cycle again into the day on Thursday. You can see the storms on Thursday showing quite a bit stronger on future track here, and that does look like the best chance for us to pick up some severe weather. So let's look at that threat forecast. Flooding, always possible with the storms with the torrential rain. Not a high threat tomorrow. Bigger threats are going to be some larger hail and damaging gusts, kind of our typical severe weather threats. Thursday, those threats are even higher. Actually, it seems likely that we'll see some of that damaging hail and high winds. And with some rotating storms, can't rule out the isolated funnel cloud or tornado. Fortunately, pretty low threat of that, so we'll be focused more on the hail and high winds. As far as low temperatures tonight, down to about 45 to 50 degrees across the state. Highs tomorrow, fairly nice, mainly in the 70s with a couple of 80s off to the east, and winds will remain fairly light. Again, it's the storms that we're most focused on, and we'll be tracking those as they develop, and we'll continue to track what develops through the evening. Thanks for watching.